Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to build a simple website chatbot with Botpress and ChatGPT. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to build a website chatbot using Botpress and ChatGPT, you need to define your use case. Like you need to build a bot in Botpress Studio. So you need to simply go to Botpress Studio and simply build a bot. Now you need to connect it with your knowledge base, example your website content or FAQs. Now after doing this, you need to publish it by embedding the code provided by Botpress into your website's HTML. While Botpress handles the conversation flow and infrastructure, you can enable ChatGPT to provide you more human-like dynamic responses by integrating within your Botpress. So this is how you can simply build a simple website chatbot using Botpress and ChatGPT all in together. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.